Alright, so we're back again. Conditions are still not met for the regen. It did start the regen process once after resetting the batteries, but as soon as the check engine light error code kicks back in, it stopped the regen. So we're going to start that process again. We're going to shut the vehicle off. Hop outside in the fucking dark, minus 35. Shut the batteries off. We're going to reset the batteries again. Turn the key. Start the truck. Clear some of this shit. We're going to try doing a regen and it better fucking work. Data transfer in progress. Requesting regen again. Just thinking about it. No, it doesn't like that at all. And I think this time it did not clear. Well, yeah, there's no check engine. So it's now just not wanting to do it because it's crap. We tried again. It's starting the regen process. Now, if I understand correctly, this can take up to an hour. And hopefully it works this time.